my friends. I think I'm here now in Chatham, New Jersey. And this is usually what I'm doing because after our work at time for 4 o'clock, so very traffic in the road like Parkway and other highways. And usually that's the time that people are going home too, 4:30, 5 o'clock. So what I'm doing is I relax first to some of the businesses area, parking area or street parking. It's because the reason is because the traffic. It's better to relax first and if there's some delicious food that they can eat. Sometimes I eat some other kind of food also. So I'm checking if there's food that I like. Yeah, that's the thing I'm doing like this. This is Chatham, New Jersey. This is the city, and this is a peaceful place. I work today. We work today in Madison, New Jersey, and Madison is the next city of this Chatham, New Jersey. So I think maybe 7 minutes from where I work. Here I am now to the businesses areas. They only small houses, a small building, but they have a lot of businesses here, like restaurant. There's a Chinese restaurant, there's an Italian restaurant. So that's the thing. So and also because I am tired, also difficult to drive to the traffic. So why I wasted my time in the traffic while I can relax first, and then later I'll calculate that it's okay to drive and not much traffic. Then it's good time to drive. Lewi ba yun? So it's I think 45 minutes from here. So I have to not suffering and driving while I'm tired in the traffic. So better to relax first. Eat something like pizza, if there's a good pizza. But the pizza is sometimes it always is not good for the health. So I'm just trying to find what is good. Okay, some break like that. Because tonight we have also some food in the house, and my wife Gigi is working also in St. Barnabas, Livingston. She's there today, and they say we'll be home later tonight. The Livingston, New Jersey is closer also, maybe 20 minutes. The video like that. There's police over there. See the police. So he parked there and relaxing also. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, maybe he's tired also of keep driving. So how's everything to all my friends? You know, I'm happy to have a friends like you and do some good feedback. Good feedback on my video. God bless and thank you very much. I will still relax first. I will now go down out and maybe I'm going to sit down in some areas and check if there's food that I like. God bless and thank you. Thank you my friends.